Welcome to Shopware tutorial. In this, we learn how to connect category, images with article or item, log into the backend. Go to search and search item by using item ID. Now go to categories and click on main category. Click on link category to connect item to this category. Now go to images. Click add images, then select multiple images and click apply. Now select preview image. Save and go to the site. Now go to respect category to check item and images are connected to the category. Thanks for watching. For more updates and Shopware video tutorials, please subscribe to our channel. And also do not forget to press the bell icon, so that you never miss our upcoming videos.